Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here we have, I think, the version 1 Master Lock Python cable lock. This cable is so long, look, there's the end. I'm just going to pull it through. It's so long that I don't think I can actually fit it all on camera, so I'm just going to show you how much cable by pulling it through that is until finally you get to like this little loop, which I can get just in shot. So that's in the unlock. You can also put it in the cinch position, which means that you can. It's held in, but it means you can slide this out. So it's still locked in. You can't pull it backwards. Listen to the ratchet. If I pull it, no, it's not ratcheting, but there's like something in there, like a cam or ratchet that tightens. So you can just cinch it out a bit more in cinch. If you lock it though, then you can't pull this out at all. Do you hear that click? So do it again. There, hear that click? So something's like really ratcheting tight in there. You really can't pull this apart, not without some kind of mechanical assistance. But you can just about force it through a little bit, but it's much easier in cinch. So it's basically easier sliding tight, slide both ways, and basically locked in position. So this is it's got a little wafer lock in here. Now I have picked this SPP, and it does appear to have what you call false gates or notches in this. So it's actually surprisingly, for a 4 wafer lock, a little trickier to single wafer pick than you might expect. But what do you do when you see a wafer lock? Well, you instantly think about raking them, don't you? So let's give that a go. So we're all locked up. So that's locked, and you can tell that because if you pull this way, you hear that click? That's like a ratchet, but this way it might allow you to pull some through. So you can tighten, but not obviously unlock it. So what we need to do is pop in a turning tool, bottom of the keyway like that, put some light tension on, and then pop in this snake rake like this, and we're going to just try and rock this lock open using a snake rake if I can. Oh, there we go. And that goes to cinch, which means that it's easier to push through this way because I can't pull it backwards. And then I believe, let me just try to turn this around like that. Then we can try to pick the rest, try not to hit my microphone and things, and we'll just try to, oh, there we go. I don't know why, but it seems like only like one wafer or something seems to lock up when he goes to cinch, and then we're unlocked, which means that we should then be able to, such a long cable, slide the cable all the way out. Try not to knock over anything in the background, hitting my light, and there we go. So fully unlocked. Yeah, so clearly not exactly the most secure of all of the bike locks. I suppose, to be fair to it, you could possibly use it as a lock if you put your bike inside somewhere maybe, and you just wanted to make sure it was extra secure, locked behind something already. Maybe this would be quite useful, but it's very hard to recommend any cable lock. These are so easily attacked by cutting tools. And I see not necessarily master locks, but I see loads of cable locks like this by lots of brands cut off in the city I am. So yeah, I tend to avoid these locks altogether. Anyway, if you found that video interesting, please do give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. It really does help my channel out. And if you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. I'll see you all next time.